Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a smart color changing bedside lamp. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're actually reviewing a color-changing bedside lamp from the company Gosund. And this actually is, you can do a bunch of colors you can do with it. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, but there's actually the potential to create 16 million different potential colors with this bedside lamp. So I could do red, I could do green, I could do blue, and I can kind of create a nice ambience, kind of atmosphere for the mood, for however I'm feeling. But before we actually start with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you go down below and leave a comment as I reply and respond to all my comments. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and if you know anybody who may be interested in this product, make sure you share this video out to them so they can get more insights and details about this bedside lamp. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to get more details or specifications about this product information and details will be down below in the description for those who are interested in getting more specifications, parameters, and details about this lamp. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So there's a lot of different features that this bedside lamp has to offer. There's a few specifications listed on the box, as you guys can see as I spin it around. And what I'm gonna do is actually move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. But as you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says smart bedside lamp, 16 million colors, and with a visual representation of the lamp itself. Works with Amazon Alexa and works with Google Assistant, as I mentioned earlier. And I like how they actually did this. It's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of like a food item. They did lighting facts, which is kind of cool. You guys can see it can go up to 350 lumens, so it's pretty bright. And we have some free parameters and warnings and cautions that you should take a look at. And there's a few specifications and features it offers, like voice control, remote control, time schedule, and device sharing. So let's actually just proceed with the unboxing of this lamp. We just have to lift up this flap, pull back, and we just have to pull it out. It just comes in a nice little plastic bag. So before we take a look at the lamp, let me actually take a look at the accessories that are included with the packaging. A micro USB to USB Type A cable, charging brick. We obviously have our user guide. This is how it looks like. It's actually made out of plastic entirely, but it really has a nice kind of sleek design. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do is we need to take our micro USB to USB A cable and take off like the little tie thing that they gave put onto it. And we're gonna have to unravel this cable a little bit. And now you plug this end into the charging brick just like so. Now we take the other end and we plug it into a power source. Now we take the other end of the micro USB cable. We're gonna plug it into this port right here, just like that. And you guys can see it's actually already on, and I do apologize for the flickering. Apparently, it looks like this does not match my secondary camera's, frame rate, but it looks like I just changed the color. Wow, look at that, oh my goodness. Wow, the colors are really intense with this. Wow, wow, wow. But full stop, what I'm actually gonna do is connect this to my phone so we can actually do the wireless kind of, features that this lamp has to offer. What you need to do is either on Google Play or on the Apple App Store, you need to install an app called Gosund. And it's gonna ask you to log in. If you don't have an account, you just put in your credentials and proceed to the next step. So let me put in my account detail. And you guys can see I already have a few different devices kind of listed out on my main menu, but for your case, you might actually have no device listed at all. So since we're gonna be pairing up this bedside lamp to my application, we're just gonna click on this green plus sign that's on the top right corner, and we're gonna go into lighting, and we should see bedside lamp. And you do need to select a 2.4G Wi-Fi because 5G Wi-Fis do not work with a lot of smart devices. So make sure it's a 2.4G gigahertz Wi-Fi network. You just put in your password and then proceed to the next step. Click on next once you're done. And basically it says if the light is blinking fast, skip the reset step. Please power on the device. Hold the reset button for 5 seconds. But let me click on or hold down this reset button right here. Starting to flash. And now we can click confirm that the light blinks rapidly. Click on next. And this might take a few different, it might take up to 2 minutes, it looks like, to actually connect and pair up successfully to my phone's application. And you guys can see it's successfully added to my phone. So we can now click on done. You can go in and actually rename this, especially if you're going to do like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. You might rename it Bedside Lamp so that when you do call out Google, it can definitely, be a lot easier to actually differentiate and call out this device. But in our case, we're just going to click on done. And if I click into the menu here, we should be able to see all the different things we can actually do with it. So what I'm gonna actually do is turn off my lights so you guys can actually have a better view of this lamp. Before I show you guys the wireless application method of how to configure this LED bedside lamp, I'm gonna show you guys the manual controls you can do on the lamp itself, especially when you don't have your device readily available to you. So on the left side of the bedside lamp, where it says the Gosund, so basically I'm actually looking in front of the lamp right now. So on my left side, this is where we can control the brightness. So if I wanted to, if I go down, you guys can see the brightness goes down. And if I increase or use my hand and drag across, the brightness goes up for this bedside lamp. And now, let's say I actually want to change this to RGB mode. Basically right here, you guys can see in the middle, this button right here. If I click on it, that switches it to RGB mode. So now you guys can see it's in red. But let's say I wanted to actually change the brightness or not brightness, but the different colors that this bedside lamp has to offer. If I use my finger and drag across on the right side, that's where I can actually change and manipulate to different colors. So you guys can see now it's green, now it's blue or magenta, dark blue, violet, pink, orange, red, violet, just all the different colors on the spectrum, orange, yellow. Look how nice that looks though, wow. Let's actually take a look at the application now. So on the application itself, you have a lot more capabilities and features you can actually do with this bedside lamp. So for instance, we can click on white. And this is like just a generic white light, but you guys can see it really gives off a really nice effect overall though. We also got color that we can actually change and manipulate. So this is where you can actually produce 16 million different potential colors with this bedside lamp. So if I go around this color wheel, you guys will see the color will start changing here. So any color you can think of, you can produce with this bedside lamp. We also got scenes. So we got a night scene, and all of these you can actually go in and customize. So it doesn't actually have to be the default that they actually, the software people actually put in. So you can actually go in and customize all these different scenes. So this is night. We got reading, and reading looks like to be just a generic white light. It's kind of more like a bluish kind of light though. We got meeting, and meeting just is red, but like I said, you can go in and change these. Some of these don't really make sense or correspond with their names, so you can go in and change them like I mentioned. We got leisure, we got scene 1, and it looks like this one kind of fades in, and I think it's just one color, so it's gonna fade in green, fade out, and it's just gonna cycle over and over. But like I mentioned, you can go in and change the color to any color that you want. We got scene 2. And this one I'm pretty sure is a party scene. There we go. So it's going from red, it went from now to green, and now it's going into the blues, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna cycle. There we go. It's just red, green, and blue. But like I said, you can go in and customize each of these. Scene 3. Scene 3 looks like it is flashing. So it's just one color that just flashes simultaneously. And we also got scene 4. And this one's just gonna quickly cycle through all the different colors that this lamp can produce. Really nice though, and I can go in, like I said, customize the speed. So like for this one, for instance, I can slow it down, increase the saturation, decrease the saturation, increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. So you can go in and customize each of these scenes. We also got schedule. So if you want to, you can actually set up a schedule with this lamp, and you can make it so you can actually turn on automatically at like 8 p.m. every single day. And then also with this being Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant capable, you can actually connect them to those services and use voice control to actually manipulate, turn on this lamp, or say, hey Google, can you change this bedside lamp to green? And it should go in and actually do that for you. So I'm not gonna be able to do it since I'm in screen recapturing, so it's gonna actually mess up my screen capture, but you guys kind of get the point. So if you want to, you can connect this with Amazon Alexa or you can use Google Assistant depending on what service you want to use. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and then end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this bedside lamp from the company Gosund. Well, with my experience, I really had a fun, fulfilling experience testing this product out. There's a lot of capabilities and features that this lamp has to offer, and I really like how it's actually RGB, meaning that I can technically produce any color, and especially in the nighttime, you know, when I'm sleeping and stuff, if I wanted that kind of nice kind of backdrop, especially when I'm just studying or reading a book and stuff in the nighttime, you could definitely do so with this bedside lamp. And definitely kids would really enjoy this product because it can really give or change the overall feel of the room and give them that kind of dynamic kind of feeling and make everything just look nice and colorful for them, especially in the nighttime. But that is going to conclude our video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time tuning in or checking out this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and if you know anybody who may be interested in a bedside lamp, make sure you share this video out to them so they can get more details and specifications about this lamp from Gosund. And then also, if you're a business owner or a company owner wanting to work with me, or business inquiries, email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information and details about it, product information, specifications, and details will be down below in the description for those who are interested in getting some parameter specifications, what's included in the box, and also how to set up and pair up this to your phone. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did, I really appreciate if you did all those things as I mentioned, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.